First off, gather all your ingredients. You'll need a pound of ground sausage, pork or turkey, a package of softened cream cheese, 2 cans of refrigerated crescent roll dough, and if you're feeling adventurous, a teaspoon of garlic powder or herbs for that extra kick of flavor. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. While your oven is heating, it's time to cook the sausage. Grab a skillet, set it over medium heat and brown the sausage, breaking it up into crumbles as it cooks. Once it's fully cooked, drain any excess grease and get ready for the next step. Now it's time to add the softened cream cheese to the skillet with the hot sausage. Stir them together until the cream cheese is completely melted and the mixture is well combined. For those who wish to add a little more flavor, now is the time to stir in your garlic powder or herbs. With the filling prepared, it's time to turn your attention to the crescent roll dough. Unroll the dough and separate it into triangles along the perforated lines. If you prefer, you can press the dough into rectangles by sealing the perforations and then cutting each rectangle into smaller squares. This makes filling and folding a breeze. Next, spoon a generous amount of the sausage and cream cheese mixture onto each piece of dough. Roll the dough around the filling, starting at the wider end and rolling to the opposite corner. This will form the crescent shape, or if you're using rectangles, simply fold them over into triangles. Once all your rolls are assembled, place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or lightly greased. Bake in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crescent rolls are golden brown and cooked through. Finally, allow the crescent rolls to cool slightly before serving. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.